Hey guys, my name is Ripon. Today I'm going to show you how to send a message from your application to a mobile phone or cell phone using a third-party API. There are a lot of companies who are providing SMS gateway and their API. So first of all, I need to find a SMS service provider. So go to google.com and write bulk SMS. Bulk SMS. There are a lot of companies. So clickatel.com, they are providing SMS gateway and their API for sending message. So I wanna show you how to use their API. Alright, sign up today and get 10 free messages. You can sign up today and get 10 free messages. I have already signed up, so login. In the login option, I want to select developers central, username, client ID and my password. Press login. Okay, I have 14.9 balance as a credit balance. So first of all, I have to create a new connection. And you have to select method, connection method. I'm using HTTPS, so click HTTPS and then submit and get API ID. Okay, I have already submitted and get API. So this is my API and this is my API ID. Alright, now go to the Visual Studio and design a simple application. Go to file menu, new project, then Windows Forms application. I wanna give this application name bulk SMS, then press OK. Now design a simple application. I wanna give this text bulk SMS. Application. Then I need a text box for sending number and another text box for message. And I need a button for send button, and two label. One is for to, another one is for message. I want to give this caption or text to this is message. Okay, now I want to give this text box name text box to text box message button send. Okay, double click on the send button, then zooming 140% and add an namespace using system.net. Okay, try catch okay. First of all, I want to declare web client new web client, and string variable base URL. Okay, so we need the URL, base URL, so we need the API and their examples. Go to API and scripts and select HTTPS. I'm gonna use HTTPS API. There is an example how to use it, and there is a developer guide. Click on it and then find out the send message. Send message. Okay, and this is the base URL. I need this URL. Click on it and copy and paste it here. So this is API ID, which is this one, this API ID. API username and password. Then 2 number and text message. So I need this string to message to equal text box to the text box message the text. To, and this is message. All right, now client dot open read base URL. Then message box, successfully send message. If there is any error, then error will be shown you. Okay, now we can test it. Run the application, then press phone number with country code and a message. Then press send. Successfully send message. So this message is already been sent. Okay, this is the simple demonstration how to send a message from your application to mobile phone or cell phone. And in the next lesson I will show you more functionality like how to check your SMS balance, etc. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you have any question or if you have any query, please do comment in the comment box. I will answer you. Till then, bye bye.